Welcome. In this video, I'll walk you through how to archive a chat on the Telegram app for PC using the latest update. Whether you're trying to tidy up your chat list or just want to hide some conversations without deleting them, this quick method will help you do it in seconds. Let's get started. First, open the Telegram app on your computer. Make sure you're signed into your account so that all your chats are visible. You'll see your list of conversations on the left side of the screen, with your recent messages right in the center area. Now, scroll through the chat list and find the conversation you want to archive. It could be an individual chat or a group chat. Telegram allows you to archive both. If you're having trouble locating it, you can also use the search bar at the top to quickly find the chat by typing the person's name or group title. Once you've found the chat, here's the key step. Right-click on it. A small drop-down menu will appear with a few options. From that menu, choose Archive. The chat will instantly disappear from your main list, moving into your archived folder. To access archived chats later, look to the very top of your chat list. You'll see an Archived Chats section appear once you have at least one archived conversation. Simply click on it, and you'll find all the chats you've stored away neatly organized there. If you ever decide to bring a chat back to your main list, it's just as easy. Open the Archived Chats section, right-click on the chat you want to restore, and select Unarchive. The conversation will immediately return to your main chat list, right where it used to be. Archiving is a simple yet powerful way to declutter your Telegram and keep your workspace clean. It allows you to focus on what matters most without losing any of your previous messages or data. That's all you need to know about archiving a chat on Telegram for PC with the new update. Keep your chats organized and your screen stress-free.